Everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do well to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so as to get notified whenever I post a new video. In this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to tie this beautiful fan gele within seconds. So stay tuned and let's get started. The measurement used here is ratio 70-30. So the first thing you need to do here is to start by folding the pleats to create a neat base. As you can see, that's what I'm doing now. I'm trying to create this beautiful pleats to form a neat base on my model's head. Then after that, you place the gele on the head, then ensuring that one side is longer than the other. The shorter length should be used to tie the longer length at the back. So I'm trying to take the pleats down to the back so as to create a neat look. After that, you continue with the longer length to start making structured fan-like pleats from the side. But you need to take down the pleats with the shorter length. And make sure your pleats are neatly pleated so that you get a neat base. So I'm trying to take this down to the back. After which I'm going to tie just as I've explained. So after knotting the back, I'll come back to the longer side to continue with the pleats. I'm done tying at this point, so I'm trying to tell my model to hold the shorter length so that it doesn't get loose at any point. Then after that, I have to continue with the longer length to start making structured fan-like pleats from the side. And as we create each pleat, put the fabric outward to make the fan effect stand out. So you need to continue pleating towards the opposite side while making sure the pleats rise up like a fan. And you have to try to make the pleat firm as you move across the head. And don't always forget to use pins to secure any loose area and ensure that the gele is firmly fitted on the head. Remember, tying of gele doesn't come overnight. It requires constant practice. So you continue to keep practicing so as to master this method in seconds. As you can see, I'm trying to form my fan plate. Layer them accordingly so that it doesn't get loose at any point. Then wherever it requires me using pin, I'm trying to use pin too to secure it and to make it tight. And whenever you're tying a fan gele on a model's head, try to picture how it will look on the model's head and try to follow the shape of the face accordingly so that you get it right. Not trying to tie a fan gele that won't sit pretty on the model's head. That won't be right. So as you can see, I'm trying to secure it with pins so as to make it firm. At this point, I decided not to make it a full fan, but to give it a design that will bring out the model's face. So watch as I create the design bit beside it. It's as simple as this, so I hope you try it after watching this video. It doesn't require much of your time. Just follow it step by step so as to get the desired results. And as you can see, I always pin to make sure my gele sits pretty well on my client's head. Always remember to subscribe to my channel so that you get some more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you always get notified whenever I post a new video. Please make sure you watch till the end so that you see the beautiful look and how this gele sits pretty on this client's head. I'm trying to secure it and make it firm. If you haven't subscribed to my channel at this point, please do well to subscribe. So I'm trying to create something that looks like a bow. I'm trying to arrange it to put it in place. I can't wait to see the final look on this model's head because it's coming out and looking so pretty. And always remember to use your pins very well because that's what helps your gele to remain firm on the client's head. If you don't use it wisely, it's not going to come out nice. Wow! And this is the finishing look of the gele. I so much love it. What you think about this Gele style, and whenever you want me to make a particular video for you on certain styles, don't always forget to notify me. I'm always here for you to serve you better. Remember, this is the Gele. Stay tuned for more videos, and always remember to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that, as I promise to always keep you posted on trending styles. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.